Hi everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with the reading of Aries for July 2021. So let's see what we have for Aries. So I've already spread out the cards. I feel that Aries, you are going through a lot of frustration, inner unhappiness right now. You feel very emotionally down. Maybe few of them must be not going through good health. Okay, I want you to just be a little positive, your perspective to be positive, because whatever you're going through is all inside of you, inside of your head. That's what I feel the more you calm down, the more meditation you do in the month of July, things will be better for you. You're very aggressively working towards your growth. Okay, and you also want to begin new in life. So the first week is going to get a lot of energy of, if you're into government job or anything to do with politics, anything to do with your high status, high profile jobs, that kind of a thing. So first week is very good for all those people. Also, you will be very disciplined, very spiritual also, I will say, in the first week of July for you, Aries. The second week is, you few of you might travel also. That's what I feel. I feel you are very much in the confusion you were in up till now. Aries, you are going to come out of the confusion, because the emotional block that you had up till now is going to clear in the second week. So whatever decisions you were not making in this up till now, you will start making now in the second week of July. The third week is offers, money, opportunities. Somebody might offer you a job or a business opportunity in the third week. And I also see money, but not big money, small money in your hand. And the fourth week, achieving whatever you were working for. So let's take a recap. The first week, you're going to be spiritual, you're going to be disciplined, you're going to be very authoritative. Maybe you might visit a guru or a meditation center in the first week. This is for a very small part of Aries people. Okay, if it doesn't resonate with you, let it go. The second week is going to be coming out of confusion, coming out of that emotional block that you have, having more clarity. Your work is going to speed up after that. And the third week, money offers, money coming your way, somebody offering you work or you offering work, and that is going to be fruitful. Okay, and the fourth week, you're going to have actually achieved whatever you were doing. Mostly, I feel that the fourth week, people who are working overseas or doing some work connected to overseas thing, that will also be very good for them. So let's see what we have in your relationship reading. So Aries, July, love relationships. Yes, Spirit, tell me what it is. Okay. Wow. There's a lot of giving and receiving in the month of July for you, Aries. Throat chakra. So what I feel, Aries, in the month of July, now this could be any kind of relationship. Okay, be it love, be it family, be it friends, anything that is on your mind right now and important. I feel there's a lot of throat chakra energy, so a lot of trust issues. You're not trusting the connection that you are in, or maybe if you're trying to find someone, then you're not trusting that. Right now, there's a lot of trust energy, not trusting energy, and you're refusing to see the brighter side of life. You're refusing to see that whatever you're doing right now will happen, or whoever is offering you something is the truth. Maybe you're seeing that this person might be lying to you. I don't know. A lot of confusion, same, but in the work reading, you will come out of the confusion. What you need to do is you need to move on from your past energies. Whatever happened in the past is not going to happen again with you. So you need to trust the fact that, where you are taking a step, that is going to happen. Your love relationships, you're not looking. You're there but not there. Okay, there is some offer around you, of love and affection which you are not ready to take right now. Breathe. Do a lot of breathing exercises that gives you clarity. Do some meditation. Choose what you are fighting for. I am not trusting, or I am not believing, or I am not ready to leave my past, because there is a moving on energy here. Moving on. So you need to move on from something. You need to move on from your past energy. You need to move on from a lot of toxicity which you have faced in the past. That's what I feel. And in the month of July, you are spreading your wings and you're sharing your love and your thoughts. I feel it's also to do with your thoughts. You're going to share your thoughts and your love with someone in the month of July, which is going to be very fruitful. Let me remove one more card. Yes, you're going to heal. You're going to heal from the past in the month of July. So to heal, also I feel that you need to clear your energy field. Okay? Clear your energy field by just taking normal salt water bath. And to open your heart chakra, you can add a little rose petals in your salt, and you can add, either if you don't have petals, you can use rose oil, okay, in your jar, in your bath salt. And you can even add a few cloves or a few black peppers to clear your energy field. And you can make a nice bath water and take a shower with bath with that, and it will actually clear your energy field very well. I will be coming up with a video how to make your oils at home, because I know many people have been putting, we can't find this and we can't find that because Amazon and where to get and this and that. So there's a simple video I'm going to be making very soon, how to create your own oils at home which you can use for your bath, for your rituals, for on diffusers, so that you can make them easily at home. I'm going to be sharing that video very soon. So Aries, the only message, that love message, is that you have to believe in love. Only then love will come to you. So I'm using new pack of cards for fairy message, which is the Karen K cards, fairy cards. Okay, I've recently bought them, so I want to remove a message from this for fairies message. Fairy message for my Aries, White Light Tribe Aries. Magical gateway. It takes courage and trust to venture into the unknown, yet this is where the greatest rewards are. It's time to step boldly forward without looking back. Imagine it's the same message. See, it's the same message which I try to tell you in your love reading. Don't fear, the doors are opening for you. You have to heal. The healing is happening, and you have to step into this door and take a step in your life, in your love life, especially in your relationships. Right? What a beautiful magical message. I think I'm connecting with these cards more. So, beautiful message. Thank you, fairies. Thank you so much. You have to always thank them when they help you. So that's all for today. Please don't forget to press the bell icon, subscribe this channel, share it with your family and friends, and so that more people can benefit. And call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only at White Light Healing Center with the er@gmail.com. And go follow me on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, because I share a lot of posts over there every day. Almost I'm doing reels, pick a card, and sharing a lot of information. If you don't have Facebook, Instagram, please download, because I do a lot of work over there too. So see you all, take care, be safe, be healthy, and see you all next month. And coming up with a lot more videos. And do comment and tell me what more you want me to do for you. Okay, that's all for today. Bye bye. God bless. Bye bye.